So, good morning everybody. So, paano nga ba natin i-estimate ang is pension natin? Okay? So, punta lang tayo sa Google at itatype lang natin tong is pension estimator. Then, search. Now, ngayon makikita mo na ang www.ssis.gov.ph at click mo lang itong Retirement Benefit Estimator. Now ngayon, andito na tayo sa official website ng ssis.gov.ph at here we go. So to inquire your estimated retirement benefit, please provide the following data and click compute button to proceed. So for example, ikaw ay naisilang noong 1975. Okay, January 15, 1975 at ikay nag-start na maghulog ng is mo noong 2000 December 2005. Then monthly salary earnings, let's say here 25,000 pesos. And after that, you have to enter the code as it is shown in here. The word here is tooth. Type mo lang dito sa box. Then click compute. So it's very easy guys. Now, magkano ang monthly pension mo kung mag-retire ka at the age of 60? So you can have 9,525 pesos and 60 cents. Then if you are going to retire at the age of 65, so you can have 11,125 pesos and 60 cents. So that's very easy guys. So hopefully nakatulong ang information na ito para sa mga taong naghuhulog ng SSS. Thank you so much for watching to this video. Bye bye.